Let's do this.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Jimmy Draws Art. I'm Jimmy Dragon. Once again, I don't know what to do, so you are now getting another vlog video of me organizing and putting away all the recent artwork I have done. You are also getting a quick sketch video towards the end of the video of me sketching a kind of tree and a forest of those trees. I just want to show you all a quick sketch because this is a drawing channel after all. First off, I guess I need to celebrate a milestone with the channel. Apparently I have been on YouTube for 4 years now. My first upload was on August 9th, 2018, 4 years ago last month. So happy birthday to me, in that sense I guess. Well, how do I feel about the channel today? I feel like I am at a crossroads when it comes to my channel and with my artwork. I feel like lately I am just doing what comes to mind of what I think people want me to draw and do. I try not to compare myself to other artists on YouTube, but I also find that hard to do. I feel like I am trying to chase down views. I look at my video analytics and sometimes I get excited when I see a video performing well. I don't get depressed when I don't see a video doing well, but I also feel like sometimes, what's the point of doing this? I don't have the spring like Jazza has in his videos. I don't have the artistic talent that Ross Draws has either. I don't have what Sam Does Art have or what Colleen has. I'm not an Ethan Becker or any other popular YouTuber. I'm just me. A lone dude in his basement with only 174 subscribers to his belt at this moment in time. I'm not saying I want to be these people. These people are the lucky people. Though there are times I feel discouraged. I sometimes see what I have done and I think I've done pretty good. Then there are other times I see what I have done and I say, why am I only here? What have I been doing? Alright, I feel I have taken this pity party far enough. What is the thing I want to do the most? I feel like I need to take things back to the roots. I have to look at my past and examine why I got into doing art in the first place. So why did I get into art? I like art. I have always enjoyed drawing. But what really got me going was when I was in high school and I met a friend who was drawing comics. I thought to myself, I can do that. So I went home that night with the idea that I can make a comic. It was crude. It was bad. The story made no sense. I still remember it today. I titled it Gonzo's Revenge. When I look back at this comic I made, I think it was a story to let go of my frustrations of school at the time. I was being made fun of. I was being bullied during these days. Although it was nothing new to me, I was pretty much bullied all my life. But it was in this moment I felt I had a bit of a release. Sorry, I think this vlog is becoming more of a therapy session than anything else. Well, maybe that is one way how I feel I can continue on with doing this thing we call art. And right now I miss doing comics. There was another time where I wanted to be more of a comic artist than anything else. I still want to be a comic artist. I feel like maybe I lost that vision. Well, maybe it's time to revisit that time of my life. I have posted stuff before on YouTube and on Instagram of things from that past life of mine. I did have plans to do a comic called Romancing Dragon. I have mentioned that before on this channel. Should I change the format of this channel? I don't know. Maybe I should just take things one day at a time. I do still enjoy drawing my characters. Maybe I should just start there, and then we will see how things progress from there. I was originally planning a name change on my social media and channel here. I am kind of getting tired with the Jimmy Draws Art name, and I was thinking of Jimmy Dragon Studios. What do you think of that name? It's been a thought in my head of something I should do. Anyway, I think it's time to really end this therapy/vlog session of mine. If you do have any thoughts of what I was talking about, I really would like to hear from you in the comments below. Well, I do hope that you liked this video. If you do, please give this video a like. Also, subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more content from me in the future. With that, I thank you much for watching, and we shall see you with the next video. Thanks and bye-bye.